How to find your Discord token. Hey guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can simply find your Discord token for developer purposes in a very simple way. So first things first, head over to your Discord account, onto your web browser, and click on Tools right here. You're going to click on More Tools, and from here you're going to open the Developer Tools. And once that is done, what you're going to do is you're going to head over to your application here, and into your application you're going to click on local storage, and from there you're going to click on https://discord.com, and from here what you're going to do is you're going to search for token. And once you click on token, what you're going to do is you're going to click onto toggle device toolbar. And once you toggle the device toolbar here, then the token is ultimately going to appear. What you're going to do is you can just simply copy paste that token and keep it safe with you. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can find your token on Discord.